There is a saying of the Prophet of Islam, is also very important for every human being, for every man and woman. It is أفضل العبادة انتظار الفرج. أفضل العبادة انتظار الفرج. It means that it is also an ibadah, a way of worship, to wait for some more opportunities. In other words, wait and see policy. Adopting wait and see policy is ibadah. What a good news. Every time you face some failure, you have to adopt the policy of wait and see. Wait and see. So this policy is not simply a policy. It is also ibadah. It is also worship. And experience shows that every time you adopt this policy, it is sure shot for your life. You never lose. This policy means what you have failed to gain in your present, you can gain it in future. It is future-oriented policy. أفضل العبادة انتظار الفرج means أفضل العبادة انتظار الفرج means adopt future-oriented policy. Don't see in the past. And also don't stick to the present, but always adopt future-oriented policy. It's very important. So there is no room for frustration. If you have failed in present, you have to be hopeful that you will be successful in future. Very simple formula. And Prophet of Islam says that it is a worship, it is an ibadah. It is also a formula. At the time, it is a formula, and at the same time, it is a worship. This principle tells you that this policy is a worldly policy. At the same time, it is an ibadah, it is a worship. So it's very good. The Prophet of Islam always speaks in language of hopes. He never spoke in the language of frustration.